Welcome to Module 6.23, Final Presentation Planning. This final module provides guidance for preparing your research plan presentation. You'll be creating a polished, pre-recorded video that outlines your research proposal in a compelling and accessible way. We'll review the required content components, map out the video creation timeline, and cover the technical standards to ensure your presentation is professional, engaging, and ready for public dissemination. Your presentation should include essential components. Begin with the background and significance of your research. What problem are you addressing, and why does it matter? Include a clear theoretical framework that guides your inquiry. Provide an overview of your methodology, including data collection and analysis strategies. Discuss any ethical considerations, such as informed consent or working with vulnerable populations. Outline your implementation plan. What are the next steps, timeline, or intended impact? Throughout your presentation, use visual elements such as diagrams, flowcharts, or charts to clarify and emphasize key ideas. Planning your production timeline will help you stay on track. During weeks 6 and 7, focus on developing your script and designing slides or visual aids that support your narrative. Toward the end of week 7, set up your recording environment and do a few test runs to refine your delivery. Aim to complete your video recording by the end of week 7, leaving week 8 for editing, reviewing, and making any final adjustments. Early planning and pacing are key to producing a confident, well-organized presentation. Your final presentation should be between 10 to 15 minutes long. Set up your recording in a quiet, well-lit space with a professional background. Ensure that your audio is clear, use a microphone if possible, and minimize background noise. Visual support is crucial. Your slides should be clean, well-designed, and synchronized with your script. Once finalized, upload your video to YouTube following the provided specifications, including visibility settings, video title, and any required metadata. This presentation is both a demonstration of your project and a representation of your communication skills, so give it the polish it deserves.